Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain Cheer Blues shoes reviews. So cheerblues.com is grabbing a lot of attention in the United States. Also, I would like to say that friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question: should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then do watch this video till the end. I will share the way to get your money back. So let's proceed further and find out that what exactly cheerblues.com has to offer. As you can see, there is lot of discounts on the products like footwears of women, and you can check these Cheer Blues casual fashion flat boots are just for $29.98, and its original price was $71.98. So there is massive discounts and the prices, friends, seems to be too good to be true. So now let's find out the mode of payment. So as you can see, there is the mode of payment which has been mentioned at the mostly it's at the end of the page. So it is PayPal. Now let's find out its shipping policy. So let's click on the shipping policy section. Here they have mentioned that they usually take about 15 to 25 business days for standard shippings. So friends, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and do subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit one. So let's check its HTTPS. So it has a secure HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. Now, the age of cheerblues.com was checked on WHOIS, and it was found that it's been registered on 22 October 2020. This makes it a bit negative because it's registered quite recently. Now, let's find out its About Us page. So we need to scroll down and we need to see that is there any About Us page or not. So here is the About Us page. Let's check. So they have mentioned about their Cheer Blues, their vision, their aspirations, but the address is missing and also the number is missing, which is again a negative point. Now let's check about its Contact Us page. So if you look at the Contact Us page, they have the email ID, that is help@cheerblues.com, and again they do not have mentioned any address or the business owner name, which is again, guys, a very negative sign. So again, if you look about the payments and everything, it has massive discounts and the prices are really too good to be true. Now let's find out its social media presence. Do they have any social media presence or not? They have mentioned the social media icons like Facebook as well as Instagram, but guys, when it's been checked on other search engines, there is low traffic volume, and even these pages do not have any of the traffic also. So again, this is a very negative sign. Now let's check about its return and the refund. So let's click on the return and the exchange. Here they have mentioned that they have 7-day returns warranty, and they have also given the ways that how one can contact them through their email ID, that is help@cheerblues.com. So if you have any viewpoints regarding return and the refund, guys, you can mention in the comment box. Now let's look about the customer reviews. As you can see, there are no such customer reviews about the products which are on the website, and it has totally low traffic volume on other search engines as well, which is a negative sign. Overall, the website content quality is also low. It has been lacking the business owner name, the business address is lacking, and again the customer reviews are nil, the traffic volume is nil, there is no social media presence. So on the basis of all the checkpoints, I claim this website as a scam. And guys, do not invest your money on this website because it does not indicate positive signs. Also, what viewpoints you have regarding this website and experiences, do mention in the comment box. Also, if you have any queries regarding the return and the refund, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Also, do comment your thought about this video. Do like this video, share the video, and subscribe our channel to get much more videos such as this. So be informed and be safe. Thank you very much.